YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to set night mode for maps on Android Auto for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on night mode for your maps on Android Auto, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is actually jump into your setting. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for connected devices. And then when you find connected devices, you want to hit connected devices. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for Android Auto. And then when you find Android Auto, you want to hit Android Auto. And then from there, what you want to do is scroll down and then you want to look for day or night mode for maps, and you can set it to night. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to set night mode for maps on the Android Auto for Samsung Galaxy series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content